Pleased to share something with you today on the state of natural products industry. First of all, what are the natural products? What is the natural products industry? It's all those products, the foods, the beverages, dietary supplements, beauty and personal care products, all that and more. And as I will expound on this as we go further into this presentation, I'll share some industry information, especially for those people who are, first of all, interested in what they're going to do going forward in wanting to get involved in a business enterprise, or something that's trending and that's going to grow and develop where they can prosper for hopefully a long time. Health and wellness is not going away, and this information is going to be about the health and wellness industry, particularly natural products. First of all, the industry size is projected to reach, it was projected to reach $318 billion in 2024, but $386 billion in 2028, and as much as $400 billion in 2030, at an annual growth rate of 5%. 95% of U.S. households purchase natural or organic products. The key market segments: food and beverages, that's projected to grow to 265 plus billion by 2028. Dietary supplements, there's a high demand for immunity products, for cognitive support, and for gut health products. And there's, in the beauty and personal care area, it's expected to reach $122 billion globally by 2031. Next was trending. The health trends in preventative care. It's being prioritized by 91% of consumers. People are looking to prevent illness and not just have it treated as we traditionally have. Key concerns are metabolic health, gut health, and cognitive health. Dietary shifts are changing. There's an increased focus on what we call functional foods. So foods are not just something to consume to fill our bellies, but what role does it play in terms of our nutrition? What does it help? How does it enhance or improve our well-being and perhaps our longevity or chances for longevity? And plant-based diets are growing tremendously as well. Generational insights. So from generation to generation, from Generation Z to baby boomers, Generation Z is focusing on sustainability, plant-based diets, and social media influences many of the Gen Zers. The millennials are health conscious, value clean labels, and prefer tech-savvy shopping. Not just off the shelf, but online as well. And then older Americans are transitioning to online shopping, but prioritize quality and value. Food preferences and projections. Well, functional foods like probiotics, adaptogens, nootropics are driving growth. Plant-based protein supplements is another area. Yogurt, non-dairy milk is seeing high demand. And for global flavors or a broader palette, Generation Z or Gen Z is driving demand for multicultural cuisine. So we're not just getting soul foods or the foods perhaps we grew up with, but foods from all over the world, different cultures to satisfy this palate. Shopping behaviors. Now, how is that changing? Online shopping uh, dominates, led by Gen Z and millennials. Convenience channels for growing are growing for natural products as well. People are getting products in different ways. Transparency and certifications are also crucial for informed consumer choices. Is it organic? Is it non-GMO? Is it regenerative or agriculture? What's going on with the food, and how do we know that it's good, that it's real, that it's beneficial for us? So sustainability trends, again, regenerative agriculture and upcycled products. You take a product and it's in one form and it is changed to another product, especially containers and those types of things. Call that upcycling, when you take a can or a container or something and you have another use for it. It's not just being recycled. It's not just being thrown away. Retailers are also focusing on reducing single-use plastics. People are becoming much more aware and sensitive and concerned about single-use plastic. And younger consumers are driving a demand for eco-friendly practices. Interesting. The young generation or young people are looking out for the environment, are concerned about how they leave the earth and what impact it will have on the earth as well. So future projections, we're looking forward. We're going to see more modern kitchens, and there's going to be more personalization and global flavors shaping trends. Again, more expanded palate, more universal, more foods from different cultures, and that all offer their own benefit as well. So whether that be plant-based or whether that be Mediterranean or whether that be foods that follow a particular philosophy or for health and wellness, that's what's coming into our kitchen. Health tech, wearables, and AI personalization is redefining engagement. As we look at smartwatches and devices and things that help us to monitor what's going on with our health. Is it improving? What's going on with our circulation or our heart rate or our blood sugar, our oxygen utilization? Okay. Health tech is top of mind with many people. And then media trends. Social media remains crucial for discovery and influence. People aren't just finding out things by articles and magazines or the standard media, television. They're getting things through social media as well. So some key takeaways for this would be: there's dynamic growth driven by health-conscious consumers and sustainability. So if you want to be in this business, think health-conscious consumers are driving the market. 91% of people are looking to, it's something in regards to health and prevention. Innovation, transparency, and personalized nutrition are critical for success. And social media and technology integration going to be essential for engagement. So how we reach people, how we keep their attention, and how we grow in business, what we do for ourselves, our loved ones, or for the people that we provide products or services for. Social media and technology is going to be essential.